Welcome to Lakshmi Academy. Today we will see what is manual testing under software testing interview question series. Manual testing is a process carried by testing team to find the defects and to confirm that application works as per the requirements. So you have the software requirements and then you have test plan, test cases, use cases, test scripts. And when you run the test scripts, it confirms that application works or does not work as per the requirement. Testers manually execute test cases without using any automation tool. So manual testing, you don't use any automation tool. Testers play an important role as end users and verify all features of the application work as per requirement. So when you're doing manual testing, you are like an end user and you think in all the directions how the end user will use the application. Like suppose you have example the phone number filled, so you don't expect that the user will enter the numbers in the phone number, they may enter alphabets. So you need to test all the scenarios. Identify any unexpected behavior or bug. So if you're suppose example testing the login screen, and when the user is logged in, it may not take you to the welcome screen or the initial screen, or the application may crash. That is all the unexpected behavior. 100% automation is impossible or rather a difficult task. So manual testing comes in handy. In manual testing, the design test cases or test scenarios will be executed, and any difference between actual and expected results are reported as defects. Once the reported defects are fixed, the testers will retest the defect to make sure that the defects are fixed. So the process is, the manual testing process is you test and then the actual and expected results are different, then it's a defect. So then you report the defect, then developers fix it, they give you a new build or however your company works, and when you get the defect fixed, you retest the defect to make sure that the defects are fixed. And then there are different types of manual testing which we will go into details in other tutorials. Now I will go touch base with some automation testing. What is automation testing also in this when I'm comparing both. Manual testing is slower than automation, and running tests manually can be very time consuming. Now automation testing, when you're designing the automation testing, it can be time consuming, but once the automation is ready, then it does not take much time to run the test. And another advantage of automation testing is if you want to perform the testing on different machines, different operating system, then you don't require that many testers. Like it can be run on a different machine simultaneously. But if manual testing needs to be run on different machines, different environments, then you need that many testers. But manual testing is preferable to execute user interface test, because human testing is more preferable when you're doing user interface testing. When you are doing manual testing, there are chances of human error. The testers can when they're testing something they can miss some data, any output, or they can miss on any test. So human errors chances are more as compared to automation testing. Automation testing, human error can occur when you're designing a test, when you're writing a script, but when you are running the automation test, that error can be caught. So there are advantages and disadvantages of both manual testing and automation testing, which we will go in details in further tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.